doing this now for 12 years, and it just keeps getting worse and worse. It's out of control. Almost 700 species. There are some really interesting materials in cacti. I think what I like so much about them, first of all, it's the sort of unusual shapes and structures and features. I mean, cactus pretty much do everything different from every other plant species you can think of. I mean, they're so highly evolved to exist where they exist in these really arid conditions that it's just fascinating that they've been able to do that. And so to me, it's like the science aspect of like all these amazing chemical processes that they go through and interactions with their environment and the structures and designs and how that helps them survive. It's amazing that we, these like evolution essentially has designed these incredibly sophisticated and successful organisms. I probably have spines in my fingers right now. I mean, I find them all the time. I wear welder's gloves and I use long tweezers and forceps that they use in surgeries to try to hold them, and I still get all kinds of things. My wife has concluded that the reason I like cacti is because they're prickly and unapproachable, just like me. So that may be true, I don't know.